This is a video inspection done by Controlling Systems technician named Rudy Jaramillo. The equipment for this inspection is a 70,000 BTU 96% furnace with a 13 SEER AC. I am at address 1446 Washington Avenue, Colorado, zip code 80027. Permit number is Michael Echo Peter -3655-2022. We're going to start off with the AC. There is our 30 amp breaker that is marked with AC. There's our termination kit for our vent. Our service plug, well within the 15 feet diameter. Our AC with our lock-in caps. AC is well away from the walls from any debris. Let's walk inside. There is our furnace. Our connections, anything we touched, are sealed. There is our sediment traps, 2 of them actually. Here's our vent, that is well strapped. Definitely has more than a 1/4 inch drop per foot with our kill switch. As you can see, our vent is exiting out to the back of the house, which is strapped as well. And to confirm the address, 1446